All right, I think I'm live. Okay, so today is a special bonus. I am doing a live training on what is the main purpose of Pinterest for your business. I'm really excited to be able to do this training because I get asked all the time, why Pinterest? What is the purpose of it for your business? And the funny thing is so many businesses get this wrong because Pinterest is not social media. Pinterest is a search engine. So today I want to actually talk about the three main purposes of Pinterest for your business. All right. Number one, it gives you more exposure to your business. All right, that is the main purpose of it. It doesn't want you to just stay on Pinterest. While yes, it has created ways to stay on Pinterest with idea pins and video pins and all that, but at the same time, Pinterest wants to send traffic to your website. I'm sorry if I seem a little nervous. This is the first time I've actually gone live, and it's I hope it's working. Anyway, so that's number one. The reason why it gives you more exposure is because it is a trusted platform. I went to a Pinterest workshop last year, and the one thing that they shared more out of everything else is that people come to Pinterest because it is a positive place. They have made it a positive place on purpose. They don't allow politics or anything that could be construed or basically negative on the platform. They don't allow it. And so it is, people go there because they know it's positive, and they also know that they can trust it, right? So, and then the second part of that is you're showing up where your clients and your customers are searching. That is the real power of and main purpose of search marketing and of using Pinterest. Because without showing up where your customers are, you're actually cutting off your whole leg. Like, you're just hopping around on and trying to build your business, but you're crippling yourself because you're not using the full potential of your business reach by using a search marketing strategy like Pinterest. Okay. Now, before we actually dive into point 2 and 3, I forgot to introduce myself. I am Sarah Lawyer, mompreneur. I am in business to help your business grow. I want to be able to see you have expanded online influence and online visibility. And so I use Pinterest to help you do that. Now, if you're ever curious on how to do that, I actually have a great free PDF on how to start getting started basically on Pinterest using your pins. And so to do that, just go ahead and look at the link in the description. There should be a link for Pinterest Pins Explained. Go ahead and grab it. It's free, absolutely free, and it explains how to get started with your pins and how to publish them on Pinterest. All right, so before we dive in, please make sure you go ahead and hit like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more great trainings. Number 2, Pinterest users are more likely to buy. It's actually been proven, there's stats about this, that 89% of Pinterest users, and there are over 450 million users, actually go to Pinterest searching for products, services, and ideas to buy something. They're pinning things. They're looking for, I know for me, a lot of the things that I look for are ideas of future things that I want to do, but that's not always the case. Did you know that auto is an up-and-coming industry or niche on Pinterest? So how can you put your business using auto-related terms on Pinterest? I'm glad you asked, because that's something I actually do. I get on the call with you. Really get to know your business. And then I say, okay, based on searches, this is how we can start showing up, and this is how I can help you. All right, next thing. And last one is number 3. It's a free storefront. If you are looking to sell something, which I hope you are if you're in business, you're looking to sell something, Pinterest is a great way to actually showcase your products, your services, everything that you have at your disposal to sell. It allows you to do that. It allows you to actually put up a catalog. So oftentimes I'll go on Pinterest and I'll search different profiles and I'll see that they have their shop up. Yes, that's exactly what you want. Because if people are going on there to shop, you want to be able to showcase your store. But if you don't, that's okay. You can actually get that set up. But if you don't, you can actually still showcase your product in a pin and send them to your website, send them to your outside storefront. But that's the point of it, is that they're wanting to send you traffic. They're wanting to send you customers. Now, and links are encouraged, unlike social media. I will say this, Pinterest is not a social media platform. So many times I see that as people explaining what Pinterest is. It is not social media. So if you're ever confused and how to basically take what you're doing from social media and put it on Pinterest, stop. Don't do it. I'm begging you. That is how you won't get the success you're looking for. The basic, if you're looking for success, make sure to check out my video. I'll make sure it's pinned here. Why a search marketing strategy and what is Pinterest and how to use it for your business. Those are two very strong videos on giving you the basics of how to get started on Pinterest and how to get started on a search marketing platform. All right. So that is it for today. If you got some value, I'd love to hear it in the comments. Go ahead and drop in any questions that you may also have. And then also make sure you hit like and subscribe, because I will continually showing up week in and week out, sharing the tips and tricks to get you found more online and getting you more leads and sales. All right, so that is it. We'll talk to you later.